Okay, I'm removing the 12 centimeter electronic fan Bedino schachtel from the decventilator. It comes out like this with the white thing sticking out there. Then you just pull it through like this, and it's connected at these two cables here. You see? These two cables here. And here is the part where you separate them. And hopefully there's only one way to put them together. Let's see. Hold this. Can you do the zoom from down there? Maybe zoom up to here, see what I'm doing? Okay, there it goes. Okay, connects like that, I see it. Really only one way to connect it correctly. There. Here. Let's do the other one.
Oh my god, it's hot as hell.
Okay, you can turn it off.